Hello students, I am Ambika Vasant. Welcome to SS session. Today's our topic is lesson number 2. What is around us? What is the largest source of energy on the earth? Did you think about it? Sun is the largest source of energy. Sun has a family. That family is known as solar family. There are 8 planets in solar system. Earth is one of the planets among them. Today we will discuss about what is around us. The most important point is that the earth has got the suitable temperature, water and air to sustain living beings. So, earth is known as unique planet or blue planet. At the time of its origin, it was in the form of a fireball. It started to cool down slowly. During this process, some elements got transformed into solid are known as lithosphere. Some elements got transformed into liquid are known as hydrosphere. Some elements got transformed into gases came to be known as atmosphere. Above all, the living world which developed due to land, water and air came to be known as biosphere. These are the 4 spheres of earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. The upper layer of the earth, that is lithosphere. The first part of the word litho means rock. The remaining part sphere means layer. It means the upper layer is made up of soil and rock. The thickness of the lithosphere is not the same everywhere. Its interior part and exterior part do not have identical features. We can see mountains, plateaus, plains and valleys on the lithosphere. The temperature increases as we move towards the center of the earth. The molten rocks in the interior of earth is known as magma. In the interior part of the earth, there are many gases which came to increase pressure and heat. But the pressure of rocks on the surface of the earth is equally strong. So, balance is maintained between interior part and exterior part. When the balance between these two are not maintained, the crust breaks and the volcanoes erupt. We will discuss about other spheres in the next session. Thank you. Take care.